This is the video review of a new LEGO Beyblade. This is Armor Spartan. It's a balance type, and it is the evolution of Gladiator Spartan, which I did a video of a little while ago. And this is a balance type bay, and if you can tell, it's pretty big compared to my normal LEGO bays. Here's an example. It's pretty decent size. It's very heavy too. Let's see, it's a side view of it. Alright, well, let's go ahead and take a look at all the parts separately. And while the parts are all like this, I would just like to show that even though it is much larger than the normal ones, it is still compatible with them and they still work just fine with them. See? So here we got the spin chip, Spartan. Let me try to get the camera to focus on it. That's pretty normal, but it has some grooves in the side for better grip. Whenever you spin it with your hands. I'm going to skip over this and come to that at the end. Here we have the layer base. This is armor, and it is pretty big. And it has 4 slopes and then an attack point and then another one on each side, so it's smooth and then jagged. So it defends and then hits back, kind of like. And then the driver is shield. And see, it's a little bit bulky around it. It has a little bit of metal, and what that does is the metal comes down, and whenever it hits the ground, it retracts, so it absorbs the impact just a little bit. It's like nothing, but without the spring. And it is free spinning. And whenever it goes to fall, if it catches it, it will become a little bit more aggressive. Can't really demonstrate it all that well. Here. Alright, and then the main point of this one is Spartan. This is the biggest layer that I've done, and mainly because of how complicated the gimmick was to make. It's kind of like the new Union Achilles that just got revealed, in that the layer, hold on, before I get into that, I do want to weigh it so you can see just how heavy this thing is. Just the layer is 60 grams, so it weighs as much as a normal burst bag on its own. Right, and the gimmick of this is that if you take these swords and move them outward like that, that allows for this middle piece. You hold these 2 pieces of metal with the gray and pull up, and the layer will separate into 2 parts. And as you can see, whenever it's like this, the metal is evenly spread out, one on each side. But you take it out and twist it 90 degrees and put it back, and then just gotta make sure it's in place right. It's a little bit difficult sometimes whenever you're putting it into that mode. There, and you put the swords back where they were, and there. Now all the weight is on 2 corners, and it's going to hit a lot harder on those 2 corners. So the shape really changes in that it becomes more of an oval instead of a square. It does work, and the hits aren't too hard. The recoil isn't as hard as it looks, actually. Let's go ahead and get the whole thing assembled so I can show you what it looks like whenever it's together like that. And see, it's kind of like a twin nemesis shape almost. And see, whenever it's all together, we have a weight of 86 grams. The camera's getting a bit fuzzy. But 86 grams is much heavier than any burst bay that is illegal, or that is a legal combo and it is the heaviest Lego bay that I've done, just by 3 grams. Yeah, that is my review of Armor Spartan. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more reviews. Thank you for watching.